And welcome everyone to another video from Auto. In this video, we are going to learn how to speed up my PC by cleaning the caches, temporary files, cache files, and other unnecessary files. For this purpose, you can download a lot of software and use a lot of applications. But the one I recommend is Wise Disk Cleaner. You should download this application from Google. It's free. There are a lot of other software I have tested, but this one is, I can say, working perfectly, and I recommend using this one. Now, there are a lot of options in this. There are four major options you can use in this application. Number one is Common Cleaner, the second one is Advanced Cleaner, the third one is Slimming the System, and the fourth one is Disk Defragment. Now, each of these options has its own benefits and as its own particular functionality. The number one is Common Cleaner, which we'll use for cleaning our system and we can say lessening the burden from our system. It will speed up our system a lot more. Now, here are the options how to use this. Let us see. You should select these files according to your wish, but keep in mind this will not affect your I mean files. It will not affect your window. It will not delete your window. It will not delete any of your I can say files like your word files, like your videos, like your photos. It will not delete anything. It will just clean unnecessary files, unnecessary load on your system. Now, the number one option which we have selected is Windows system. It will not delete my window, but it will delete or it will remove the unnecessary files of the window. And you should select Windows Metro Cache as well. You should select this one as well. Now, web browser cache. When you come at this options, click this one. Drop down menu, it will load all the browsers installed on your system. As a precautionary measure, I should say you the browser which you use and the browser in which you have saved your passwords, other data, you shouldn't clean the cache of that browser. Even though it will not affect, but it is as a precautionary measure. You shouldn't select this. Now I use Google Chrome as my main browser and I've saved my passwords and other data in that. So I will not select this, I will deselect this. You should select others. Now I have Microsoft Edge installed on my system. I'll select that. Okay, and the next option is traces in my computer. Okay, you should select this Windows and application traces. Again, in the web browser traces, this drop down menu and select those all browsers. Select those all things which you don't need. Just leave your main browser. Now I do not use Microsoft Internet Explorer, Microsoft Explorer, this one. I don't use this one, saved password. Now you can see I don't use this one and so on. You shouldn't select save passwords. Okay, maybe if you can, you should, if you want, you should select. And after that, cookies. Okay, so in this again, I'm not selecting my main browser. Okay, now these all are selected. Now just come here and click scan. Now it will start scanning your computer system, whatever we have selected. Now you can see that is invalid, shortcuts are being scanned, invalid, that's cache and so and so and so. Okay, and this is that many files and the total of that in GBs and in MBs it is selected. It will load for you. Now for this, at this time the video is getting longer, I should just click cancel. Now you can see that many files and a total of that is 1.44 GB. It can be cleaned for me, so I'll just click clean. It will clean that space and it will not affect any. I just click clean. Now you can see it's just cleaning and it is emptying my recycle bin and so and so. It will just clean up my window and my system will speed up, and that is cleaning was completed. Same is the case, you can use the other option, that is Advanced Cleaner. In this you can clean your disks for unnecessary file, that is your local disk C or your D, any of my file, any of your disks you can clean, and it will slimming your window. I In this option, you should use this option after Windows update, or any of the time when your window is slowing down or your window is hanging and lagging. You can use this option, but do not worry, it will not delete your window. Your system will restart normally. Okay, and the disk, I will make another separate video on what actually is disk defragment and how to use that. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video with your friends. Thank you everyone.